Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can set your followers and contacts notifications to silent on the X app. This is perfect if you want to cut down on distractions, but still keep the app installed and functional. The process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's settings. This is where all of your apps and notification controls are managed. Scroll down until you find the section called Apps and tap on it. From here, you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. Look for the X app in that list and tap on it. This will open up the specific settings page for X, where you'll find all kinds of options, including storage, data usage, permissions, and most importantly for us, notifications. Go ahead and select Notifications. Once inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice different categories that allow you to personalize the alerts you receive. To refine these even further, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you'll get specific control over which alerts you hear and which ones stay quiet. Next, find and tap on the Followers and Contacts option. This category handles updates related to accounts that follow you, as well as notifications tied to your contacts. By default, it may be set to make a sound, causing your phone to buzz or ring every time an update comes in. To silence it, simply choose the Silent option. This setting ensures you'll still receive those notifications in your notification shade, but they won't interrupt you with sound or vibration. It's a great way to stay informed without constant distraction. And that's it! You've now successfully set your followers and contacts notifications to silent on the X app. With just a few taps, you've taken more control over how your phone keeps you updated, giving you a calmer and more focused experience while still staying connected. If you'd like, you can use the same steps to explore and customize other notification categories within the X app, tailoring everything to match your preferences. By tweaking these settings, you make the app work around your lifestyle instead of the other way around. Thanks for following along.